Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Dinah. I know I do beauty videos, and today's video is a review video. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, share and comment as well. So I've been dying to try out two particular products from the same brand, the Zikel Cosmetics product, their concealer and the Zikel X Lydia eyeshadow palette, and I have actually got this product a while ago, but I just couldn't sit down to film. I just couldn't find the time to sit down and film. I'm sorry if you can hear noise in the background. It's because my family members are around, and like this is the best time I can sit down and film. So this is going to be the first video. This is going to be a review of their HD concealer. So this is the Zikel lightweight waterproof full coverage concealer, which we will be confirming if it is true or not. So to start off, I actually do not have their primer, so I'm going to be using the LA Pride face primer. It's a gel primer. I'm just going to put in the quantity I want, and I'm going to use this brush to apply it on my face. It's a gel primer, so it's transparent. I've been having a lot of breakout lately, and I don't know why actually. And then I'm going to go into the Zikel Cosmetics Even True foundation. I love this foundation so much. Like it's the best foundation I've used. It's one of the best foundations I've used so far. But the downside to it is it doesn't have a pump, so it's really not easy to control the amount you apply on your face. Alright, my foundation is done. It's time for concealer. I went to their store to get this actually, and the shade they said I was in is, I can't even see where the shade is written. I can't remember what shade this is, and I don't know if it's supposed to be so. I actually cannot see the name of the shade I'm using right now, or if it was on the wrap. So the moment of truth. I actually got shade matched at their store, so we shouldn't have any problem with this shade matching me or not. It's very 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 bright, very very bright, and I can feel that it's very very lightweight as well. It's a liquid concealer. With the same sponge I used for my foundation, I'm going to start to blend this. I'm going to let the one on my under eye sit for a while. Can you guys see how smoothly and easy it just blended into my skin? And I'm loving the highlight I'm getting. It's cute, it's beautiful. It blends like a dream, guys. It blends so well. It blends like a dream. Oh my god. And it blends so well with their foundation. I'm going to use this with another product, another foundation from another brand, and see if it's also going to blend so easily like that. But from what I'm seeing right now, I'm loving it. Oh my god, it blends in so well. Wow. I would have loved to use their beauty sponge with this, but I can't find it. So that was why I just used a sponge I got from AliExpress a very long time ago. I love how it's blending, and it is not just spreading everywhere. Like, it's blending in place. It's not just moving around. It doesn't move around, guys. I love that about this foundation, and it is giving me a very very good highlight. my god, I love this. I'm going to blend it into my eyes because, like I said, I would also be reviewing the Lydia Stanley palette, so this is going to serve as my primer. I love this, guys. I love this. I'm in love with this. This is beautiful. This is, oh my god. And it's just like I see it on other people, the way they use it. You know, there are some products that influencers would review and then you would buy it and it doesn't appear on your skin the way it appears on theirs. But this, oh my god, is blending exactly how I saw it blend on. I actually saw it was by Bronze that actually made me want to try this out because it makes her skin look so flawless and her under eye is well highlighted and it covers any form of imperfection or dark circles that she might have had under her eyes, and that's exactly what I'm getting here. And guys, can you see it doesn't spread and move around, it doesn't move everywhere, it stays where you want it to stay, and it blends so good. Like, it's really full coverage. All right, I think I'm loving this so much, and I think this is now my all-time favorite. So I'm using one of their beauty blenders, the smaller one, and I'm just going to use this to further blend it. I can't find the big one. So indeed it is a full coverage concealer. I'm going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use this to set the concealer down. I'll be using the Zikel Cosmetics face definer for my contour. This is what I use in like most of my, whenever I'm doing my contour. It's very pigmented, so this is what I just do. I just tap into it and lightly just brush it on my face. It's very pigmented, guys. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of this makeup, and I'm going to come back and tell you my final thoughts on the concealer. So guys, this is the final look. This is how the concealer looks like, just to refresh your memory again. It is really like skin. I do love it. Look at how my face is looking, guys. Look at how snatched my under eye is looking. It is full coverage, very easy to blend. Like, it blends well with your foundation, and I'm sure it's going to blend well with other foundations as well. Like, it's amazing. It's lightweight, at the same time thick. And then it does dry down matte. It does become matte when it dries down. It's a pity I really cannot remember the shade of this foundation, and it was not written on the body. I don't know why. I can't remember. Like, like I said, I told you initially that I got this foundation a while ago and I can't remember, so sorry, but this is the one I use. So do let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this foundation, if you've tried it out already or if you plan to try it out, which you should. It's just 1,500 naira. It's very cheap, and look at the quantity, guys. I also used it as a primer for my shadow. I used it to cut my crease, and guys, it made the shadow perform really good. Can you see? So it does well as an eyeshadow primer, it does well as a concealer for the eyes. So till I come your way again next time, I have another video coming out on the Zikel Cosmetics X Lydia eyeshadow palette, so please do try and watch that review. That is how I achieved this eyeshadow look. So till I come your way again next time, please do me well by subscribing. Please subscribe to my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and if you're an old subscriber, I love you. See you guys in my next video.